In 2022, the world economy grew again, but at much slower pace compared to the strong post-COVID upswing registered in 2021. International trade and exchanges of manufactured goods also showed a similar slowdown. The upturn concerned all world's major economies, although with a different intensity. In Asia, India more than doubled China's growth rate, and Japan confirmed its weakness. The United Kingdom stood out, expressing one of the best performances. The Eurozone did better than the United States. In the European Union, Spain and Italy distinguished themselves, showing an above-average growth rate. On the contrary, Germany confirmed its difficulties, and France slowed down its pace considerably compared to the previous year. In 2022, the world production of machine tools reached €79.5 billion, strengthening the positive results already recorded in 2021. Asia confirmed to be the first area with regard to contribution to the production of the sector, followed by Europe. The Americas were far behind. Even consumption increased again, attaining €77.5 billion. Demand in Europe grew much more than in Asia and in the Americas. International trade remained particularly dynamic. In 2022, in the world ranking of machine tool manufacturing countries, China was again firmly established at the top, ahead of Germany, Japan, Italy, and the United States. On the other hand, in the ranking of the major exporting countries, Japan came in first place, followed by Germany, China, and Italy. Taiwan ranked fifth. Considered on the whole, i.e. by adding up the values of machine tools, robots and automation systems, in 2022, the Italian production of the sector achieved the new record figure of €7.3 billion. If besides the production of machines, we also consider the production of parts, tools, numerical controls, and services to machines, the economic value of the sector stood at €10.5 billion. Compared with the export experienced in 2021, the order index recorded a 7.8% drop on average per year, minus 20.8% domestic orders, plus 2.8% foreign orders. The high dynamism of domestic demand, supported by the incentives of Transition 4.0, is measured by the data of consumption, up by 26% compared to the already striking outcome reported in 2021. This trend had a positive impact both on the deliveries of Italian manufacturers and on imports. Despite the increase, the market share covered by foreign supply remained at the usual level. Once again, the growth in exports was lower than that of the other economic indicators. The trade balance was down. The positive performance registered by the Italian industry of the sector positively impacted on the utilization rate of production capacity, which rose again compared to 2021. The order portfolio also marked a new increase. In 2022, Italian exports of machine tools only went up compared with the previous year. The trend of sales overseas improved during the year. The main export market for the Italian production was that of the United States, followed by those of Germany, China, France, and Poland. In 2022, engaged in meeting a very lively domestic demand, manufacturers saw their export shares slightly reduce in the major world markets, with the exception of the United States, where the Made in Italy share grew considerably. A 43.5% share of Italian exports was directed to the countries of the European Union. Again, the decrease was highlighted in the weight of Asia, where sales absorbed 16.7% of total exports. Sales to North America covered 19.8%. Deliveries to non-EU Europe, which was stable in fourth place among export areas, represented 13% of the total. A downturn was reported in the sales of Italian machine tools to South America, which acquired 3.1% of total exports. The weight of exports to Africa accounted only for 1.8% of the total exported. In 2022, the Italian manufacturing industry of machine tools and automation extended the positive trend registered in 2021, setting record-breaking results for almost all economic indicators. Based on these data and considering the order portfolio of the first months of the year, 2023 is expected to be another year of growth.